The particle structure in any substance can significantly change the properties and characteristics of that substance. The iron bar has individual particles which represent tiny little magnets. As we align the iron bar to the Earth's magnetic poles and tap it, the particles begin to self-organize and align. A magnetic field then forms around the iron. Particle organization can also be transferred from one object to another through a magnetic or biomagnetic field. We can take a piece of magnetic iron and through relative motion, transfer organization from one piece of iron to another. The Earth has a biomagnetic field and is primarily composed of water. The Earth moves and rotates on its axis while in orbit around the Sun and has an iron core. This organization is transferred from one object to another, from the Sun to the Earth to iron and water through quantum and electromagnetic properties. Our device emulates this natural process of transferring organization from the flow form in the water. This microcosm demonstrates the macro-unifying and life-giving properties of water. Our flow form causes the water to spin 360 degrees simultaneously, creating the double vortex, which creates a biomagnetic field in and around the water. The health of a biological cell is largely related to the level of structuring within the water. A healthy cell is comprised of 90% water. A weak cell has less water with a weak field, and a healthy cell has a strong field. This is primarily due to the level of organization of the molecules in the water within the cells. The gas discharge visualization, GDV, is a device used to measure the biomagnetic field in a water droplet. After water passes through our device, a more energetic field can be seen around the water, enhancing its life-supporting properties.